8 Altcoin 100x crypto gems I would buy. The cryptocurrency market has witnessed exponential growth in recent years and now has a total market cap of more than $1 trillion. While day trading can bring lucrative returns, it also carries risk. Finding the best low-cap crypto gems and investing in them before they explode has become a profitable business model for many investors. Low-cap assets present profitable opportunities for investors. They often start out undervalued, but their prices rise as the underlying projects see more adoption. Below, we'll take a quick look at some of these low-cap crypto assets to see which of them could be a good investment. Before we move on to the top low market cap crypto coins in 2023, you might want to explore the best crypto icos that are making all the headlines. Below, we'll shed some more light on the most promising low-cap cryptocurrencies in the market. 1. Fightout. Best move to earn low-cap crypto gem. Fightout logo. Fightout provides its users with dynamic rewards to induce them to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The project has leveraged the power of blockchain technology to allow users to create their fitness NFT avatars on its metaverse. The project's new age technology has created a conceivable path for Fightout in becoming one of the best metaverse crypto coins. The Ethereum-based $FGHT is out for sale in its pre-sale on the project's official pre-sale page. Buying the $FGHT tokens soon will enable buyers to fetch a discounted price, with the price rising every 12 hours to a max of $0.0333 on March 31st, with the tokens set to be listed on exchanges from April 5th. Pre-sale investors can also earn up to 67% in additional bonus tokens, depending on the purchase amount and vesting period selected, and there is also a 5% referral scheme. Fightout has devised an effective system to reward its users for all kinds of fitness movements. Users would be entitled to rewards offered by Fightout as they progress through their fitness journey. Users receive rewards in the form of in-app, off-chain currency known as reps. The users have the option to redeem the reps for a ton of offers, membership discounts, and similar benefits on Fightout's in-app store. Fightout has enabled users to create soul-bound avatars on the platform's metaverse, which act as their digital fitness profile. 2. C+ Charge, new low-cap crypto that rewards carbon credits for charging EVs. C+ Charge has created a system to reward electric vehicle (EV) owners with carbon credits while they charge their vehicles. The CCHG token pre-sale, which has 8 stages, is already in stage 3 and has seen more than $1.3 million raised. Buyers have a chance to grab the tokens at a relatively low price of $0.016 per token at press time, with the price to increase to $0.0235 by the final stage. Crypto enthusiasts should consider buying the tokens while they still have an opportunity before the price increases. C+ Charge has solved key issues in the EV charging ecosystem by coming up with sustainable solutions. EV owners can now earn carbon credits every time they charge their vehicles. Users have the option to use the $CCHG tokens to make payments for charging their EVs and earn carbon credits in return. EV drivers can store these carbon credits and the $CCHG tokens in their crypto wallets. Additionally, the platform has built an app for EV owners that enables them to see their updated carbon credit balances. 3. Metropoly, income-generating real estate-backed NFTs made accessible with just $100. Metropoly is one of the best low-cap crypto gems to buy in 2023, as it's the first NFT marketplace backed by income-generating real-world properties. The Metropoly marketplace is designed to be the easiest way to invest in real estate, without the need for banks, paperwork, or credit checks, and you can purchase your first real estate in under 20 seconds with just $100. Investors can get started with as little as $100 on Metropoly because all of the properties in the portfolio are fractionalized, meaning they are broken into tiny little individual pieces of ownership. Those that purchase the NFTs are still entitled to everything you would expect from investing in real estate, such as monthly cash flow through rental yield, capital appreciation on the property value, and the ability to sell their NFT ownership shares at any time. 4. Robot Era, metaverse gaming low-cap cryptocurrency with brand new pre-sale. Robot Era Robot Array, a metaverse gaming project that allows players to access its planet-like virtual ecosystem, with players able to build on metaverse land, trade NFTs, and trade in the marketplace with Taro, an ERC20 token. Its pre-sale only launched in mid-November, and Robot Era is aiming to raise nearly $7 million by distributing 270 million Taro tokens through 3 pre-sale rounds. With Taro, users can choose to buy robot NFTs, which will be their in-game avatars to join the Taro planet. With a limited supply of 10,000 robots, these NFTs are divided across 7 different robot campaigns. Players are also able to build, customize and upgrade robot companions and sell them on the open market. The companions will mine minerals, collect raw materials and build developments on the metaverse plots. Players can access 7 continents on the Taro planet and contribute to building unique buildings, lands and community-wide structures such as theme parks or museums. Similar to top gaming platforms like the Sandbox, Robot Era offers NFT land pieces which are tradable and can be monetized in a variety of ways. 5. Calvaria, best low-cap crypto gem increasing crypto mass adoption. Calvaria. Duels of Eternity is on a mission to increase crypto mass adoption through an immersive gameplay experience. The RIA token pre-sale recently sold out its $3 million hard cap and is now listed on BKEX and L-Bank, with listings on Uniswap and Changely Pro confirmed in the coming weeks. The free-to-play version will be available on all mobile gaming Sword, Google Play and Apple Store, and will come with no earning mechanics or blockchain functionality. The aim behind this strategy is to attract non-crypto users and then let the game convince them to switch to the play-to-earn version, allowing players to earn real-world rewards. The game itself is a turn-based card battling game that requires intelligence, strategy, and the ability to outsmart your opponent. In the game, players are equipped with a deck of cards that have strengths and weaknesses, abilities, and power-ups that can be called upon to win the turn. Players must outwit their opponent's next move by thinking ahead and playing their deck of cards in the most thoughtful way possible. 6. MetaMasters Guild, low-cap Web3 gaming cryptocurrency. MetaMasters Guild is a Web3 gaming project which recently sold out its pre-sale stage. Over the course of the pre-sale, MetaMasters Guild raised $4.97 million tokens by selling $350 million MEMAG tokens, the native cryptocurrency of this ecosystem. MetaMasters Guild is the world's first mobile-focused Web3 and decentralized gaming ecosystem. Users can access unique mobile games on the gaming platform and earn rewards in return. Players can purchase in-game items with gems, the in-game currency. 7. IMPT, low-cap cryptocurrency reducing carbon emissions. IMPT low-cap crypto. IMPT Logo is a new crypto project that has raised $20.5 million during its pre-sale and is expected to have a huge future. The project is extremely intriguing as it offers a unique and real-world use case as it is attempting to ease the climate crisis through users offsetting their carbon footprint. Users of the platform earn tokens while shopping which can then be converted into carbon credits NFTs, which are used to fund vetted conservation and eco-friendly projects to offset carbon emissions and waste. As well as acquiring credits through shopping, they can also be bought and sold and will hold inherent value, while users can also choose to retire them to receive unique NFTs. 8. Tamadoge, exciting new meme coin project pumping on exchanges. Low-cap crypto. Tamadoge. The latest addition to the Doge ecosystem is the popular low-cap crypto gem Tamadoge. It's the native token of the Tamiverse, a play-to-earn ecosystem that isn't developed just to be a meme coin. Tamadoge sold out its pre-sale by raising $19 million in less than 8 weeks and pumped following its initial exchange offering on OKX, rising by nearly 20x. The native Tama token reached an all-time high of $0.194, nearly 2,000% above its early pre-sale price and 550% above its initial list price. The price has since retraced amid the wider crypto winter but has enjoyed a strong start to 2023 due to the release of 3 Tamadoge arcade games and the appointment of a new CEO and head of gaming. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.